is Marie O'Neill, president of Padma Life Coaching. I'm doing this short video to let you know about a new series I'm hosting on YouTube called Ask Coach Marie. I've spent many years as a life renewal coach, astrologer, and past life regression facilitator, helping people just like you to find answers to issues surrounding why their lives are unfolding the way they are, and helping them to map out a plan to effectively rejuvenate aspects of their lives. Over the years, I've answered questions, motivated clients to achieve life dreams. I've brainstormed solutions and given my unbiased opinion when asked, which brings me to why I created Ask Coach Marie. My goal in life is to help as many people as I can to rejuvenate their lives. Creating videos answering your questions, your life renewal questions, is one of the ways that I can achieve this goal. Here's how it works. Send me a question that you'd like my opinion about, and I'll do my best to answer it on one of the videos. Videos are released every Friday, weekly. Please know that I am not a licensed therapist, nor will I ever tell you what you must do. This is your life. You must follow your own inner guidance. I'm giving you my opinion, which is based on my years as a coach and my life experience. Questions can be about consciousness, spirituality, life goals, emotional upheaval, career goals, relationships, astrology, or even past lives. Send your questions to padmacoach@icloud.com, and be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Padma Life Coaching. This is going to be the best way to get notified as soon as new videos are released. And finally, give a comment in the comment section beneath the videos. See you soon.